Want to bring the magic of Christmas to life? Imagine the joy on your loved ones' faces as they receive a personalized video message directly from Santa Claus. Our AI-powered Santa video generator makes it easy to create heartwarming holiday memories. Just a few clicks, and Santa will be delivering special messages to your kids, family, or friends, just like this one.
Ho, ho, ho. Wishing you all the jingle, jolly joys of the season. May your days be merry and bright, filled with laughter, love, and lots of magical surprises. Santa Claus is sending warm hugs, joyous wishes, and a sprinkle of Christmas magic your way. Merry Christmas to all.
I'm not going to waste your time in this video, so we're diving straight into the fun stuff, creating a talking Santa Claus using Wondershare Virbo. This incredible AI tool can turn static images into dynamic videos, complete with realistic voiceovers and lip-sync animations. First, let's generate our jolly old friend. Head over to the Wondershare Virbo website. Start by registering for a free account. Then, open the talking photo section and click Create a New Photo. Here, you can upload or generate. For this video, we are going to use Generate with Text. Just input a simple text prompt like Santa Claus, smiling, wearing a red suit, snowy background. Select a suitable pose for Santa and choose an aspect ratio. Then click Generate to receive multiple Santa image options and watch the magic happen. If you don't see a photo you like, hit Regenerate or change the prompt. I will select this one, click Save, and hit the Next button. Next, we'll give Santa a voice. Now navigate to the Input Text tab and click AI Script. Paste the script prompt provided in the video description and copy the generated script. Return to the Input Text section and paste the copied script. Select a male voice from Virbo's library, such as Claus, and play the script to ensure it suits Santa's character. Finally, we'll add some festive touches. With a few clicks, we can add background music and adjust the volume to create the perfect holiday atmosphere. Ready to see the final result? Let's watch as our AI-powered Santa Claus comes to life.
Ho, ho, ho. Greetings to all my dear friends around the world. As Santa Claus, I bring you blessings of joy, love, and peace this holiday season. May your hearts be filled with warmth and your homes with laughter. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year ahead. May the twinkling lights of the festive season guide you towards success, happiness, and abundance. Remember, the true magic of Christmas lies in spreading kindness and sharing love with one another. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to all.
Make this holiday season extra special with a personalized video message from Santa. Our AI Santa video message generator allows you to create unique and heartwarming videos for free. Simply provide a few details about your recipient and watch the magic unfold. Spread the joy of the season with a personalized message from Santa. And if you are ready to revolutionize your video creation process, with Wondershare Virbo AI, you have the power to bring your creative visions to life. From turning static images into dynamic videos to generating stunning visuals from text prompts, Virbo AI offers a comprehensive suite of AI-powered tools to streamline your workflow and elevate your projects. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope this helps.